Removing the rear deck and speaker shelf in a 2001 to 2005 Honda Civic is straightforward, typically taking 1 to 2 hours for DIYers. This process allows for speaker upgrades, cleaning, or repairs. You'll need a Phillips screwdriver, flathead screwdriver, trim removal tools, and possibly a 10mm socket wrench. First, empty the trunk and disconnect the battery if working near electronics. Pry off plastic clips holding the deck's edges, starting from the sides, using trim tools to avoid breaking them. Next, unbolt the speaker shelf from the trunk floor, usually 4 to 6 bolts, and disconnect speaker wires, noting the colors for reinstallation. Finally, lift the deck panel and shelf either together or separately. Inspect for any hidden fasteners or wiring. Reinstall by reversing the removal steps. Ensure clips and bolts are secure to prevent rattles. A common mistake is rushing, which can break plastic clips costing $5 to $10 each. Always check for rust or corrosion under the shelf. Forum discussions and YouTube videos like those on Civic Audio Mods offer real-world troubleshooting tips. If a bolt is stuck, use penetrating oil. Patience is key to avoid warping panels, an issue in 10 to 15% of cases. For speaker upgrades, consider modern Bluetooth-enabled options or sound-deadening mats. While Honda is phasing out support for pre-2006 models, DIY communities provide open-source guides and solutions for issues like rattling shelves, often costing under $50 to fix using 3D printed clips.